Before setting up the GetSafe medical alert system, fill out the included vial of life and place it somewhere that is easily accessible for first responders. To set up the system, start with the main device and plug it into a standard wall outlet. Then, turn the device over and flip the switch from off to on. After the system initializes, the device should let you know when the system is ready.
Control panel on.
It will also tell you how strong your connection is by the amount of lights on this icon here.
Attention, cellular signal is 100%.
The more lights, the better. If your connection is not strong, you might want to consider moving it to a different area of the home that is more open or narrow window. And now we're ready to test the device. We are going to test the main device by pressing the emergency button in the middle. You can expect the device to signal an alert and connect to GetSafe's 24/7 monitoring center. A dispatcher will come over the two-way speaker and check your status.
Emergency alarm. This is Mary with GetSafe. Do you need help?
A dispatcher will come over the two-way speaker and check your status. Let them know you are okay and just testing. If the dispatcher cannot hear you, they will call your phone directly and try to get a hold of you. If they cannot establish communication, they will treat the alert as an emergency and follow the protocol you set up on your customer information form. Now it's time to set up your additional devices. Anything you ordered with the main system will already be paired, so this will just take a few steps. We suggest placing additional devices in high-risk areas such as bedrooms, bathrooms, hallways, and stairways. The voice-activated device can be placed on countertops, tables, or mounted on a wall with the 3M adhesive. The voice-activated device offers the most flexibility as it can be triggered in 3 different ways. 1. By pressing the emergency button. 2. Pulling the optional pull cord. Or 3. By saying, "Call 911, call 911. For the wireless wall buttons, it's best to place them low to the ground in high-risk areas such as bathrooms and/or the top and bottom of stairways. After setting up your additional devices, you'll want to test them one by one to ensure they are properly connected. Make sure to give it at least 5 minutes between each test so the alert signals don't get tied up. Go ahead and follow the same testing process that we did earlier. And we're done! Need more help or have questions about your GetSafe system? Give us a call at 888-799-6255. Thanks for watching.